now we can learn some of the logarithmic function. Okay, so here just copy the and write some logarithmic. So she just try to write log y or log x. Okay, so just enter backslash here backslash log and write x. So make sure x will be in the curly bracket. So just put curly bracket and just put y. Okay, log y or log x. So see here you will get log y, or you can see log x. Here log x square. Okay, so just put a square and you will see log x square. Here I will try to write down log x base 5. So how we can write down? Just see how we can write log x base 5. Just write log and give the subscription. Okay, so how you can write the subscription? Just keep underscore and 5. So log base 5 and in bracket x square. So what you will get? Log x square base 5. See, in this case log x square 5. Now we can write some of more logarithmic function here. See a is equal to logarithmic of this plus log underscore 5 middle bracket or curly bracket y square. Okay, see what you will get. A is equal to log x square plus log y square with base 5. Okay, now coming to the next topic, we will see how to write a square root. Okay, a square root, let us try to write a square root of 2 or a square root of 3. So you can just write mathematics mode, and for writing any square root you have to write backspace sqrt, backspace, right, backspace sqrt. Okay, this here you will get, and in between middle bracket you can just write 3 or 2. I'm writing here 2. You will get, see, root under 2. So if you want to under root x plus y, if you want to under root x plus y, so just write x plus y. Here you will see x plus y. If you want x square plus y square in under root, so just write x square plus y square. See, okay, now we can write here, you can see under root 2 plus root over x. Okay, so if you want to write root over root, then you have to define a square, and again within this square you have to again define the square of x. So in this case you will see root under 2 plus root under x. Now we can write one more example. Let us see. Just paste here. You can also write plus backspace sqrt y. Okay, now see what you will get. See here x plus root over x plus root under y. So you can see there is one difference. 2 plus root under 2 are under this square root, but this y, under root y, is not in this bracket, in this under root. Why? Actually, I have written this in different from this square, a square root. So if you want to keep under root y within this square root, what you can do, just give one bracket and remove bracket from here. You will see the change. See, now you can see 2 plus root under x plus root under y. So what I did this case, we can just keep these root under x and root under y within this root over. Okay, now we can write some of the fraction. Actually, some of the fraction we generally use in writing, like 2 by 3, 5 by 4, or 4 by 6. So again, you can just define by dollar sign. Okay, give backslash. So writing fraction, you have to define fraction by writing frac, f-r-a-c, frac. Okay, so you will give this sign, just enter or select. So in this first curly bracket, you have to write the first case, and in the second case, so just you want to write 3 by 5, so you have to write 3 in this bracket and 5 in this bracket. So just write 3 and just write 5 in here. Now, okay, so here you can see frac, I have written 3 in the first middle bracket and 5 in the second middle bracket. So you will get 3 by 5. See, 3 by 5. Let us try without using the frac command. Okay, just write 3 by 5. You can see what we get. We get 3 by 5 in the text mode, and this 3 by 5 is in the mathematical mode. So you can see there is some difference. If you put the dollar sign, you will get this mathematical mode, or sometimes in writing you also need 3 by 2 in this format, and if you are writing any equation, you have also need this type of font. So when you need in mathematical mode, you have to write the frac command, or if you don't need any mathematical mode, just write 3 slice 5, you will get 3 by 5. Okay, see, you will get y divided by y square plus y plus 1. Okay, so in this case you can just define frac, and in the first curly bracket you can just write y, and in the second case you have to write y square plus y plus 1. So in this case you will get y divided by y square plus y plus 1. So now let us take one more example, and in this case we will write root over x plus 1 divided by root over x minus 1. So just write double dollar and backslash frac. Okay, so in this first curly bracket, write root over x plus 1. So square root, you have to define the square root. So just backslash sqrt square root curly bracket, and in this curly bracket you have to write x plus 1. Okay, now come to the next curly bracket. Here again you have to define the square sqrt and write x minus 1. So x minus 1. Now you can see the result. Here I will just keep in one space so that it will display in the next line. See, root over x plus 1 divided by root over x minus 1. So you can write this type of format. Now we can write one more example, write root over x divided by x square plus x plus 1. So let us see how we can write this equation. Enter dollar sign, okay, write a square backslash sqrt Okay, in a curly bracket write frac, and the first curly bracket write x, and the second curly bracket write x to power 2, like x to power 2 plus x plus 1. Okay, now you can see result here. Under root x divided by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so this is the fraction. So what I have covered in this tutorial, you have learned the basic of the mathematical mode and the text mode, and basic mathematical equation like circle equation, cos, tan, and logarithm, and also the square root and fraction. So this is the basic equation. So I think after learning this tutorial, you have to able to write this type of work what I have written for my work. You can easily write these things. So I don't think much tutorial or much knowledge needed to write these things.